So how's that new blog post doing that you worked on so hard? In this video, I'll show you 2 free and 1 paid ways to find out how and if your content is ranking in Google. Welcome to LowFruits. We analyze the search engine results for you to find the low competition keywords that you can rank for today. Before we jump into this video, I want to give you guys an opportunity to try a free trial of LowFruits. Just click the very first link in the description below this video. Let's get started. Oh man, is there anything worse than putting your heart and soul into some new blog post, some new piece of content, and then you wait and it's just crickets? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 2 free ways and 1 paid way to find out if you're even ranking in Google. So for the first way, let's just head over to google.com and I'm going to do a search for LowFruits. We've got an ad running for LowFruits, so I can't count that, but the very first result is LowFruits homepage. So yes, Google knows about at least my homepage in this case, but there's a problem here. Do you know what it is? If you think you can guess what the problem is, hit pause on the video and drop in a comment. I'm going to tell you right now, so you better hit pause. No cheating. The problem is I'm logged into this Google account. I work for LowFruits. I go to the lowfruits.io site all the time, so the results are going to be biased. They're personalized to me. So instead, what we're going to do is open a new Incognito window, and I'm going to do that same search for LowFruits. So now these results are not personalized, and LowFruits is still coming up. So that's a good sign. But what if we want to see something a little more obscure? Recently, we published a blog post to lowfruits.io about, I'm going to go do a search for it, about topic clusters versus keywords. So let's search for that. Got an AI result here, and then our article on topic clusters versus keywords showing up as number 1. That's awesome, but let's pretend for a moment it did not show up for number 1. We have to search for it. I'm looking for my URL, lowfruits.io. If we don't find it, have to click next to the second page, and you just have to keep looking. So this is a free way to find out if you're ranking in Google, but as you can see, it can be a very tedious way. And look, I get it. I like free. Everybody likes free, but your time has a price. So I'm going to show you a paid way later on in the video, and you can decide whether paying for that way is worth your time. The second free way to check your position in Google, free, pause way, not free way, the thing you drive on, free method, is to use Google Search Console. What's great about this is it's direct from the source. It's from Google. It's a Google product. It's free, and you can track your results over time. So I've got a test site that I've rolled out here about solar power and the benefits of solar power, and we can see some search terms: residential solar. I'm in position 7. Tesla solar panels, I'm in position 8. The downside to using this is it's not real-time data. There is a delay, and it typically shows you your average position, not your exact position. They also don't show every single keyword. If you have some super long-tail keywords, they might not show up here. But it is free, and it is from Google, so this is not a bad method to use as well. So now let's check out the paid method and see if it's worth it. We're going to be using LowFruits. I'm going to log into my LowFruits account. If you don't have a LowFruits account, you can click this link here that says Start Free Trial. LowFruits works on a credit system, but don't worry, it will give you some credits for free so you can play around with LowFruits and decide if it's right for you. I'm just going to click Login. I'm already logged in. And then we're going to go click on the Extract link over here on the left-hand menu. And we're going to click on the tab up top that says Ranking. And let's go ahead and check our ranking on our very own lowfruits.io. So type in 1 or more domains here, and then click on the big yellow button that says Extract. LowFruits will do its thing. It does it very quickly, usually in less than a minute. And then if we scroll down, we can find that report. I've actually done another report, so that's why you see 2 listed here. I did one in the past. If you had done multiple domains, you'd see multiple reports here. So I'm just going to click on the download icon here and download the reports for LowFruits. And here I've got that spreadsheet opened up that I just downloaded. I've got it open in Numbers because I'm on a Mac, but you could also open it in Excel. You could even open it in Google Sheets. You can see on the header column here, it's got the domain, all of the keywords we're ranking for, the volume for those keywords, the cost per click. If you were to buy clicks to those keywords, some of them very expensive, affordable SEO software, not so affordable to buy that click, $26.58. And we're already up to position 22. Of course, we continue to do SEO on our website as well. I just want to scroll down and show you one thing. This is row 781. Keep in mind that the first row is the header row. So in less than a minute, we found our rankings for 780 different keywords. So that's the argument for using a paid tool. It's the amount of time that it saves you. Remember, as a small business owner or a blog owner, your time has a price associated with it. How long would it take you to find out in a manual method what you're ranking for 4 types of search intent, and then affordable SEO tool, and then analyze keywords, and on and on and on? How long would that take you to figure out? So that's where the value comes in here. It's a paid tool, but it's a very affordable paid tool, very accessible. You've got all this data. You can sort it any way you want. So maybe you want to sort by cost per click. And I can see that on line 46 here, SERP's keyword research, we're ranking number 5. If we were to pay per click for that keyword, we'd be paying $18 a click, $18.66. I'm back here on the LowFruits dashboards. The other thing that's worth mentioning, pretty obvious, is you don't just get the extract tool when you sign up for LowFruits. You also get all of the other features that it has. Check out some of the other videos on this YouTube channel. We have lots of videos that dive into those features, including the most logical next step, which is your rank tracker. And you can track how you rank for certain keywords over time. All you got to do is add keywords to the rank tracker. We'll even spit out some nice graphs and show you how you're ranking for those keywords over time. So there you have it. You got 2 free ways that you can check your ranking in Google and 1 paid way. There's certainly a case that paying for a tool like LowFruits is definitely worth it because of the sheer amount of time it saves you. So that's how to find out if your content is ranking in Google. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to start using LowFruits to find hidden opportunities in the search results, go ahead and click on the very first link in the description below this video to get started right now.